To me, one of the biggest unexamined issues, right, is the transition from the great extended family of old, okay, into the nuclear family. Okay? So I do feel that Freud is the best analyst of the particular kind of claustrophobic cell of the modern nuclear family. It could be that human beings were never intended, okay, to be trapped in a house just with their parents. The extended families, you had your aunts and grandparents and cousins, all of whom helped form your identity. Okay, so one's identity was as a member of a community, right, rather than in this like hothouse environment. So I think that a lot of current issues, including this sudden spate of transgender claims and so on, that a lot of these things are coming from this unstable in cell. It's really a prison cell of the nuclear family. Two parents perhaps cannot give all the knowledge of life, okay, to the young, and so I think there are all kinds of sexual issues, in it that are generated by it. But with the psychology today is now simply a practical matter. People come in, the psychologist in the United States deals with your present problem. Let's not go into the distant past, okay? Let's just deal with our present problem, which obviously we have forms of communication. We need to like fix this, and then you'll be fine, okay? As a consequence, there's a complete absence of any kind of analysis of your experiences as a child with your parents, with your siblings and so on, how that might relate to your current sexual identity issues, whether it's transgender or whether it's homosexuality. It is you cannot possibly ask, okay, about any genesis of homosexuality today, okay, because that is automatically defined as homophobic. Well, excuse me, every single, as an openly gay person myself, every gay person I know, okay, there's some story there, okay, it seems to me in childhood. Not only that, there's a strange similarity of the storylines of all of my friends who are gay. Okay? There's a same pattern that had to do with blurred borderlines between a son and his mother and so on. I'm not blaming the mother. Okay? I'm not blaming the mother at all. Okay? What I see is a dynamic going on in the bourgeois house, in the nuclear family, okay, where you had sometimes a distant father, okay, a father who was present but not really engaged, and a mother who made the son her companion in some way. Often the mother has great imagination and flair, and they had a shared thing. And I mean, the idea that homosexuality has nothing whatever to do, okay, with your family life is nonsense.